I'm Stevie D and I am totally car mad. We did a video a few weeks ago where we got my Focus ST started for the first time in over a month. Took it out for a quick blast, blow the cobwebs away, but unfortunately most of the cobwebs stayed on the car along with all the bird poop. So today we are going to get the car clean, shiny, looking good again and take her out to the seaside. As you can see, this car is filthy. Bird poo, dust, it's been dry, everything's baked on. Oh, the seagulls have had a right go at this. Look at that, cobwebs. Oh, it's disgusting. There's no way I can take it out like this. It's gonna need a quick wash down, rinse, get all that muck off. Look at it, poo everywhere. Look at this cobweb. What even is in there? My goodness. Everywhere. Grime, filth, poop. Oh my goodness, it's embarrassing. It's going to need a right going over. Every inch of it. Disgusting. Ugh, spiders everywhere. Muck. I think it's time to get stuck in.
And there's another dirty girl in the background that needs a sorting out as well. Not another one.
Let's start with a wheel wash. With the old Carplan Demon wheel cleaner. It's cheap, but you know, these wheels are pretty good condition, so they don't need something high end. Using this Turtle Wax Snow Foam Shampoo all-in-one traffic film remover. It doesn't give you the thickest snow foam, but if you want a quick maintenance wash, get all the muck off, it's kind of an all-in-one jobby, so you know, why not just lash it on and see what it does. a tiny bit of that cobweb is still there. It just won't go away with the jet wash, will they? But I'll get it later with the towel. Time for a drive?
Oh yeah.
Another dirty Porsche's appeared.